Welcome back to Caseomania, where we simplify marketing concepts for everyone. Today, we're breaking down SEO, search engine optimization, in super simple terms. If you've ever heard the term SEO and felt confused, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of how SEO works and why it matters. So, what is SEO? Think of SEO as the art of helping websites appear higher up in search engine results like Google when someone searches for something relevant. For example, if someone searches best pizza near me, SEO is the magic that helps pizza places rank higher in the results so that you're more likely to visit them. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's all about making changes to your website so that search engines like Google can find it, understand it, and rank it higher for relevant searches. Why does SEO matter? Well, 75% of people never scroll past the first page of search results. This means if you're not on page 1, it's like your website doesn't exist for many people. SEO helps businesses get discovered by people searching online. The higher you rank, the more traffic or visitors you get, which can lead to more customers or followers. Now let's talk about how SEO actually works. SEO has 3 key components: keywords, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. Keywords are words or phrases that people type into search engines. For example, if you own a bakery, keywords might be best chocolate cake recipe or vegan cupcakes. By including these keywords on your website, Google understands what your site is about. Imagine your site is a bakery website. Using the keyword best chocolate cake recipe in your blog helps Google show your site when someone searches for that recipe. On-page SEO is about optimizing the parts of your website that you can control. This includes your website content, titles, headings, and even images. Use your main keyword in your page title, in the first paragraph, and in headings throughout the text. Also, make sure your content is easy to read and adds value for the reader. Off-page SEO is everything that happens outside your website. This includes things like links from other websites to yours, known as backlinks. Think of backlinks as votes of confidence. If other websites link to yours, it tells Google that your content is useful and trustworthy. Here are a few quick SEO tips to get you started as a beginner. First, research keywords that are relevant to your topic using free tools like Google Keyword Planner. Second, make sure your website is mobile-friendly. Google loves sites that work well on phones. And lastly, create high-quality content that people actually want to read and share. And that's it. Now you know the basics of SEO in simple terms. Remember, SEO takes time, but it's worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Caseomania for more simple, practical marketing tips. Thanks for watching.